Network marketing is one of the most exciting industries in the world, but for many people, it isn't easy to succeed. You have to constantly meet new people, build relationships in an already busy world, share information about your product in an interesting way, and of course, close the sale. The truth is that 97% of network marketers say they struggle to achieve their sales goals every month, until now. Introducing Nowsite Networking. Nowsite Networking makes network marketing easy with innovative technology, a database of over 50 billion records, and the power of artificial intelligence. Within 30 seconds of creating your account, Nowsite will start introducing you to targeted prospects that match your exact specifications, so you never run out of new people to meet. We'll then help you create relationships faster than ever with detailed reports about your prospects' interests, demographics, and hobbies, and even an accurate personality profile with customized sales tactics for every step in the sales process. With advanced prospect activity tracking, we make sharing information about your product more effective by notifying you the moment your prospect views your video or website, so you can follow up at the perfect time. And we make closing the sales simple. With custom sales tactics that are based on your prospect's personality, we'll tell you exactly what to say and when to say it, so that you get the absolute best sales results. Network marketing can be a rewarding career if you can meet new people, build strong relationships, share information persuasively, and consistently close sales. Now, for the first time, Nowsite Networking makes it possible for everyone to succeed in network marketing. So what are you waiting for? Get started today.